Hey guys, it's testing out the Sony Xperia XZ. Just knowing you're currently in the story of Queens, New York, and this is at 60 frames per second. And this is a waterproof phone, so no problem using it right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please try more and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.